Good morning, children. All of you know that food, clothing, and shelter are our three basic necessities. Clothes are a second skin. They reflect our individuality, enhance our beauty, and provide comfort. They not only cover our body for maintaining and observing normal social behavior but also provide psychological satisfaction. Our clothes become dirty quite often, so we have to clean them or launder them. So, our topic for discussion today is laundering. Now, what is laundering? Laundering includes not only washing the clothes with soap or detergent and rinsing with water to remove dirt, grease, stains, etc., but also restoring the freshness, original color, and crispness of the clothes. Now, this laundering process consists of three main steps: regular washing of fabric to remove dirt, finishing the fabrics, and storing the fabric by proper ironing and folding it. Next, we come to principle of laundering. Laundering is the combination of cleaning and finishing. The cleaning involves removal of soil and dirt from the fabrics, which is of two types. That means there are two types of dirt. One is loose dirt, another one is embedded dirt. Loose dirt is one which rests loosely on the surface of the fabric and can be removed mechanically by brushing the fabric with light hand or by shaking the fabric. Dirt is embedded in the fabric or clings to it with the help of grease or sticky substances present. So this is embedded dirt. It is removed by chemical action of soaps or detergents. Soaps and detergents emulsify grease and remove it, thus loosening the dirt particles which were attached by means of grease. For laundering, children, you require various laundry equipment. In modern home planning, emphasis is laid on a compact laundry center adapted to the particular needs of the family. Modern equipment and good lighting are important. The laundry equipments are sink, boiler, tubs and buckets, enamel bowls and basins, scrubbing brushes and boards, suction washer, drying racks, ironing boards, and tables. Now, children, we'll discuss each of them one by one. First is sink. Sink is indispensable in order to reduce the amount of work and labor involved in washing clothes. It should be constructed of an appropriate size and at a place and height from the floor so as to facilitate washing without undue strain and bending. The next one is a boiler. A boiler is a must for housewives who do all the laundering at home. Most of the household clothes like bed and table linen need to be boiled in order to disinfect them and restore their whiteness. An ordinary bucket could also serve this purpose. A pair of tongs or boiler sticks are necessary for removing hot clothes from the boiler. Now below you can see a sink and a boiler. Okay. Next we come to tubs and buckets. For steeping, washing, blowing, starching, rinsing, for all these activities, buckets are necessary. Okay. Next comes suction washer. On the right hand side you can see the suction washer, children. This consists of two parts. The top part is a wooden handle and the bottom part is a washer. The washer is hollow inside and has holes all over its broad base. This is very useful in the washing of clothes requiring special care. The articles to be washed are placed in basin full of soap solution. The washer is next worked up and down on the clothes in the soap solution till the dirt has been sucked out of the clothes. The next equipment is enamel bowls and basins. These are necessary for starching, blowing and washing of small and delicate articles. Scrubbing brushes and boards. The article to be washed is placed on the scrubbing board and soaked and then rubbed up and down. When the article is heavily soiled, a soft bristled brush is used to scrub it clean. Next comes drying racks, clotheslines and pegs or clothespins. Drying racks and clotheslines could be placed or fixed according to convenience. The clothespins are used to hold the clothes on the line lest they should fall down and become soiled and dirty. The last one, irons, ironing boards or tables. These are necessary for finishing the laundered clothes. They should be well padded and the covers should be stretched and smooth to give good results. The ironing board or table helps to reduce fatigue and also improves efficiency in ironing. The height of the table or board should be adjustable to suit the various members of the family in the ironing of clothes. Now the different methods of cleaning. We have two methods. One is wet method of cleaning using water and the other is dry method using solvents and absorbents. The cleaning of clothes is done to remove dirt, grease, stains, etc. so as to keep them fit for repeated use. The process of cleaning can be divided into two main categories. First, wet method of cleaning. It makes use of water. The clothes are soaked in water containing various cleansing agents like soap, detergents, washing soda, borax, etc. The dry method of cleaning involves the use of absorbents like fuller's earth, chalk powder, bran, French chalk, etc. and solvents like petrol, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, acetone, etc. Children, the essential factor in the process of cleaning is the use of a solvent to remove grease and the application of pressure to remove the dust. Now this application of pressure is done in the following ways. First, application of friction. It may be applied by hand rubbing or by some equipments like brushes, sticks, etc. Application of light pressure. It renders itself well in the case of washing of fine textures, colored and delicate clothes. The process consists of kneading and washing by hand. The third way of application of pressure is the principle of suction. It is suitable for all kinds of clothes. It is both time and labor saving. The fourth one is washing machines. It consists of two portions. First, agitating the clothes in a soap solution by revolving or moving by special arrangements. The second part is wringer or dryer, which removes excess moisture from clothes before drying. So children, today we studied about the equipments that are used in laundering, methods of laundering, wet and dry method, and the different ways of application of pressure. Next class, we will study about the wet and dry method of laundering elaborately. Have a good day. Thank you.